Hey there fellow webmasters, I'm Christian and welcome to RackNerd TV. In today's video, we'll be diving into the installation process of PHP in a LAMP environment with AlmaLinux OS. But before we get started, you might be wondering, what are PHP, LAMP, and AlmaLinux OS? Well, let's go ahead and talk about it and get right into the installation process further. Well, PHP is a widely used scripting language that powers millions of websites on the internet. It provides dynamic content and interacts with databases, making it an essential tool for web developers. LAMP, on the other hand, stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. It is a popular web server environment that combines these powerful technologies to create a robust hosting setup. AlmaLinux OS is a community-driven open-source operating system that serves as an excellent choice for hosting environments due to its stability, security, and long-term support. Furthermore, there are several benefits of using LAMP in conjunction with AlmaLinux OS for hosting websites. It offers flexibility, cost-effectiveness, stability, security, compatibility, and access to a supportive community. These benefits make the LAMP stack and AlmaLinux OS an excellent choice for individuals and businesses looking for a reliable and powerful web hosting solution. But enough talk, let's dive into the installation process. So let me go ahead and share my screen here. And by the way, if you want to follow along, the commands will be in the description down below, so just check them out. Okay, so let's start by logging into your AlmaLinux server as root via SSH. I'm using Bitvice SSH here, but you can use any SSH client of your choice. The commands will be the exact same, so don't worry. Once logged in, I will start with updating my server package repository by running the following command. It may take a little while to complete the update if it's your first time logging into your server, so please have some patience. After the update completes, we can now install PHP and any other necessary packages by running the following command. After the installation completes, let's go ahead and verify that PHP is installed correctly by running this command. And if the command doesn't return any error, then that's it. PHP has been successfully installed on your AlmaLinux server within our LAMP environment. And there you have it, you're ready to start developing and hosting dynamic websites using the power of PHP. Remember, if you need a high-quality web hosting solution that supports PHP or other web-related apps, don't forget to check out RackNerd.com. At RackNerd, we offer a wide range of hosting options and top-notch support that is available 24/7 to cater to your web project needs. Furthermore, I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. For more exciting content and amazing hosting solutions, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy hosting!